In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check for updates in Microsoft Excel. Keeping Excel updated is important because updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security patches. The good news is that checking for updates only takes a moment, and everything can be done directly inside Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the File tab. This will take you to the Backstage View, where you can access settings and account-related options for the program. From there, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Account near the bottom. This section contains details about your version of Excel and Microsoft Office, along with update controls. In the middle area of the screen, find the Product Information section. This is where Excel shows information about your installation, including update settings and product details. Take a moment to locate the Update Options button in that section, since that is the control you will use to check for the latest version. Next, click Update Options. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click Update Now. As soon as you do this, Excel will begin checking Microsoft for any available updates. In some cases, the process may take a few seconds, so just wait while the pop-up window completes the check. If updates are available, Excel may begin the update process automatically or guide you through the next part of the installation. If no update is needed, you will see a message that says, "You are up to date." Once that message appears, click Close to exit the pop-up window. That is the full process for checking for updates in Microsoft Excel. If the update option is unavailable, it may be managed by your workplace or school, but for most personal installations, these steps will work exactly as shown. It is a good habit to check for updates from time to time, especially if you want the latest features and the best overall performance. Following these steps helps make sure your Excel app stays current and runs smoothly. That covers everything you need to know.